Just in case they ain't get the picture the first time around.
I see you, hater. My motivator. Y'all make me greater. Yeah.
All right, y'all. Eugene finna show us the Monte Carlo since he had got everything finished up on it. It's twin turbo. You say it's twin turbo, ain't it?
Yes, sir.
I don't want to tell him wrong.
Yeah, twin turbo.
I'm trying to do it with one hand. Twin turbo, y'all see it? I didn't know he had finished it up.
Yeah, I just got it back last week sometime, man. I done drove it twice since
Oh,
I
you
got
say
it
done
back.
drove?
I gotta put some. I'm gonna put some radios on it so I can get on the street and drive it. These slicks, they sit a couple days, they leak down and shit.
Uh-huh. You ain't been on the track yet, huh?
No.
When you
Got
get
that far with it.
when you get on the track with it?
I'll probably fuck around with it here when it warm back up. I'm gonna get on
Okay.
the street with it here soon.
Okay. Oh, street race. Shit,
E85.
E85, y'all. E85, y'all. Got that brand through the racing. Just take it. Yeah. Sound like shit, get up and go. What y'all think? Yeah. Yeah, that's what I seen. I had went to the back, but then I seen the Dawson on the side. Yeah. Good to go now. How I feel to have it done?
Man, bro.
Been a minute, ain't it?
It's been a minute and I can't wait. I still can't wait while I can really get out and drive it. You know?
Yeah.
Good thing I like about this is we still driving on the street and stuff.
Yeah.
Get on the road, drive like a regular car as long as you cruising.
Yeah.
Drive like a normal car. So you get that boots on it.
Yeah.
You know?
Sound good.
Still trying to get that one together, but I might keep selling it. I might have to sell for it.
Mustang.
Ready to go.
The Mustang.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about buying me one of these.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
That's the only reason I'm thinking of selling.
What year that is?
72.
72.
Yeah.
That's a 72, y'all. 442, 72.
Turbos make it sound different.
Yeah.
Exhaust, you know how car sound with just motor in it, it sound, you know, like.
Uh-huh.
But since that exhaust have to come through that turbo, it just kind of change the sound of it a little bit.
It sound good to me.
Yeah, it sounds good though.
Yeah.
I got some tires. I can take these out and put some regular street, well, not street tires, but drag radio on it.
Mm-hmm. Who had tuned it for you?
Green Light Performance.
Oh, right here.
Lawson's, yeah,
This is
Green
right
Light
here.
Performance
Green
and
Light
wiring.
Performance.
And Lawson, they did some of the wiring for me.
Mm-hmm.
Lawson Tuning and Solutions, they did the tuning on it and dyno.
Okay.
Yeah, it made 1,000 horsepower on 14 pounds of boost. That was baby in it.
1,000 horsepower, y'all. That's too much for me. I don't need that. Yeah, she looking good up under here.
Yeah, man, he did a good job. He a bad boy with the wiring and stuff. Man.
What Green Light Performance at? Is they local?
What you call it? Alabama Ardmore.
Ardmore.
Alabama.
Okay, Ardmore.
Yeah, I think that's his.
Yeah, I see it right there.
Yeah.
I don't know. He on the state line.
Yeah,
Ardmore,
he is.
Ardmore, Tennessee.
Yeah, he do good work, man.
Is it like on 53? Is it
yeah,
on 53?
it's right off 50. Well, yeah, you go out, you turn off 53 on Elk
off
One,
53.
and just take Elk One straight up. He right off the highway, right
Okay.
off 65.
Okay, I think I might have seen it. I'm 65. I done seen a couple of shops like
Right
off
off the
65.
highway.
You know, when you pass a little rest stop. Is it
Yeah,
when you pass the rest stop?
a couple new metal buildings
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah.
That's him.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I done
He
seen
did
it.
all the wiring. Cause see, you remember I had wheel wells and stuff in here.
Mm-hmm.
I had him. He pulled my wheel wells and stuff out,
Mm-hmm.
which I didn't want to do at first, but I was like, it's a hot rod. And
Yeah.
It ain't like I'm gonna be out in the rain and shit driving it. So
Yeah.
whatever make it easier to work on, that's what
Mm-hmm.
we did. So he did all that. Did all the wiring, the powder coating on the headers, and a few other little things he
Yeah.
did.
Okay. Did a good job.
Yeah, he good, man.
Yeah.
I give props when it's due. He good. I mean,
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I done seen, when I ride, come from Ardmore, I go down 53, then I hit 65.
Mm-hmm.
And I done seen a couple of shops down there on the right, like once you pass the, the rest stop area.
yeah.
So that'll probably be one of his.
Gas station 70. I think I forgot what gas station it is. Right
I see a lot of old school sitting out there. I seen that
Old
purple
car.
dunk. It's a purple dunk sitting out there.
Yeah. Well, you talking about the shop up from him.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
the
a
one.
different shop.
Okay, it's a different shop.
He's right before you get to that one.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
But I still got a few little things I need to do to it. I need to get it down to Athens to Pro Line wheel alignment.
Mm-hmm.
Let them do a wheel alignment on it. I'm gonna get ready to brake booster, put manual brakes on it. I got a little kit I gotta put on it. And the brakes is good. I just figured I'll make some more room right here.
Mm-hmm.
Delete that booster and stuff.
All right.
You know.
Yeah, I done seen. Y'all seen it when I was doing the road cage. No, that was the Mustang when I did the road.
That was the Mustang you painted the road.
But that was the Mustang I did the road cage in. Okay, I did the back wheels on this one here. I painted the back wheels. I knew it was something.
Yeah, you painted the wheels.
Yeah, I painted the back wheels. I knew it was something on it that I did.
They still look good too, man.
Yeah, okay. That was the Mustang I did the road cage on.
Yeah, for sure.
I know you got all kind of race cars, so
yeah, I'm trying to get something out, get something I can drive now. You boys, I done did two of these. This the second colors we done. Now it got me on one of these.
Yeah.
So I think I'm gonna sell the Mustang and give me a damn drop top, man.
This is what everybody want right here.
Something to ride,
The Cutlass there, the drop top, yeah.
Cause I got this to play with, now just have me something to cruise. Well, I got that Impala too now. I got the 96 back there.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, you got to keep that.
Yeah, I gotta hold on to it.
Then they got them dates on now. I know tell how much them cost.
10 days.
I can imagine.
Yeah.
Yeah, he got the road cage in here too.
Yes, it's back half. It's just
The back
half.
half. Back
But
half.
see, that's what I like about this car. It's still, you can get in and out of it. You got to crawl in, crawl out.
Yeah.
You know. And it's still factory dash. All the lights work. Even the dome light working there. I just got the main power turned off in the back.
Okay.
But the door buzzer working on it. Gas in. I got a Dakota dash I'm going to put in it.
You had got these in here?
I got him to install them while he had the car.
Oh, okay.
You know. And I want to get me, I'm thinking about having a console built to put in there. I want to put some little speakers, music. I want to put a little music in it so I have something to listen to.
Yeah.
Like, cruising or something.
You gonna keep it, ain't
Oh, yeah.
you? You don't plan on selling it?
Well, Frenchie almost had it.
Yeah, he had told
This
me.
damn close.
Yeah, he had told me some. You know,
Yeah,
he was thinking about getting
real
it.
damn close, and then I ain't gonna lie, I backed out though, cause I
Yeah.
said I got a lot of money in this
Yeah.
car, man.
Time and
Me and him
money.
was gonna trade. I was gonna get the gold too though.
Uh-huh.
But I got the thing. I said, man, I'm gonna trade this car. It's done. It's ready.
Yeah.
That car, I'm gonna have to go put a rear end on it. I'm gonna have to put brakes on it, and have to put another motor in it because it's got that little weak ass 305.
Yeah.
I'm like, hell, I'll be starting over.
Yeah, starting over. Another project.
Yep. Well, the money I would have got out of it, I would have ended up putting it back in that. So
Yeah.
I'm like, it don't make sense. Plus, I like my G body, and I like my two-door boxes too.
Yeah.
Man. But this one's is done, so I'm like, I'll just have it finished. Try to get spray to touch the paint up on and put a stripe kit back on in it.
Yeah. It looked like you done had it covered up because it don't seem like no dust or nothing on it, unless you just got it back.
Oh, when I went and got it, he had it cleaned up, washed for me.
Oh, okay.
So it's just been sitting in the shop since last week.
When you get it back?
Last Thursday.
Oh, okay.
Last Wednesday or Thursday.
Yeah, it don't got no dust or nothing on it. Don't seem like it.
No, actually, I got it back a week ago. It's been a week. I got it last Friday, not this Friday, just past the last one.
Last Friday.
Last
Okay.
Thursday and Friday.
And this is what, 87?
This is 85.
85? 85? Huh.
Yeah. I like 87 a little better because the back lights got the big back lights in the back.
Yeah, it seems like they done made, it's more 87s than anything. It seems like I don't like all them Monte Carlos I
the one
do.
everybody likes.
I do mostly 87.
88.
Yeah, 87.
Only difference in them is the back
Yeah,
lights.
back lights, yeah. Yeah.
This one's just got the smaller lights in the back.
85. I don't think I ever did no 85. I done did 87, plenty of 87.
Oh yeah, 87 was the world.
Yeah. What you doing in this box Chevy here?
It's a box Chevy from Georgia, man. The guy had bought. I think he really overpaid on this for this car, but he bought it. They had a motor and stuff to go in it, brakes and stuff like that. So he bought it, but it wasn't finished. It wasn't put together. Something had happened, and dude ended up buying the car. And we got it. We done got the motor and stuff.
Yeah, I seen that.
Put them another rear end in it because somebody had put this rear end in it, and it needed brackets and stuff that had been cut off to make it work under this car. It would have needed some extra finessing to make it work. So we just went and found one out of another 87 box Chevy and put under it.
Okay.
He'll probably end up putting a gear or something in there here sooner or later.
Freshening up everything.
Yeah. This one's not all over. We just he just want to get it running and driving. Get the brakes and stuff done, all new brake lines, stuff like that. He say he gonna bring it back and let us do the suspension on it, like coilovers and stuff on it later.
Okay.
We did new fuel system, all the brakes and stuff all the way around it. 5.3 swap with cam, 4L60 transmission, new transmission crossroads set up. We put a CVF accessory drive system on the motor.
Yeah, I see it, don't you?
We got her cleaned up. She looking good.
Yeah. That's nice there. How much one in the run? I might go one of them on my OBS.
I think it was 1,500.
Oh, that ain't bad.
Accessory drive kit.
That ain't bad at all.
Yeah. It come with all the pulleys, the belts, the brackets, the water pump, whole setup.
Just billet.
Yeah. We put new motor mounts in, new frame mounts. It's got shorty stainless steel headers on it. It's got Holley EFI going on it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. New radiator, new AC condenser.
Y'all doing it up.
Yeah, we getting it ready for them to drive, man.
Yeah. All right, y'all. See it. If y'all want to reach Eugene, how to reach him?
Oh, yeah. Hit me up, man. FBG Garage, man. Look me up on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok.
All right.
Yo.
I'll cut y'all back on.